Hello all, hi, once again back to my channel. Welcome back to another content. In this content I'm going to share with you top 10 online income ideas you can start today, no investment needed. So this topic is too much crucial if you are hurry about make money online in 2026. So this is too much crucial, like step by step guide to start earning based online income ideas. Oh my god, this is too much easy for make money online in 2026, but you can't find a solution today. I will share with you exactly 10 best income ideas that if you applying in your life you can start earn money online right now or even today or tomorrow. So don't skip any kind of portion because every portion is too much question about this making online ideas 2026. Like, do you want to make money online but don't know where to start? This is every beginner. This is very simple question. Maybe if you have seen videos for making thousand overnight, but we will know that's not real. This is called a scam kind of videos. Today I will show you the best online income ideas you can start today, step by step. Even if you are a complete beginner, doesn't matter. By the end of this video you will know exactly what do you today to start online income, why online income ideas work, like flexibility to work from anywhere, multiple STEM. You can combine method, beginner friendly, most income ideas require to investment or very little, both potential is start a small scale later. Don't try to do this everything at once. Pick one method and start. Consistent beat jumping around. Best online income ideas method step by step. Level number one is method one is freelancing. Platform like Fiverr, Upwork, and plans are skill in demand. Writing, graphic design, video editing, and AI services. Writing action: create an account, fill your profile, post your first gig, start with the smallest tasks, and deliver fast. Get reviews. This is very common. There is no scam here. You just need skill. So improve your English, create your account, and start earning today. Method 2 is affiliate marketing. Earn commission by promoting product online. Platform like Amazon Associate, Clickbank, local e-commerce stores. Example: promote a product on social media. That time you will be able to earn. When someone click your link and buy this product, that time you will be able to earn. Action: pick one method, create an account, and share with friends and with your followers. Still focus on one product list. First, don't promote too many at once. And number 3 is content creation is high demandable skill right now all over the world because this world is going on videos. So content creation is too much crucial. Number like YouTube platform, TikTok platform, is short platform, how to earn online in 2026, daily online income tips, and step-by-step beginner guide. You can start this kind of niche. It has tips like sponsorship and affiliate links. Pick one niche, record 1-2 short videos daily. Method 4 is Microsoft and surveys. Quick task online surveys, testing apps, watching it. This is very simple. And for platform like Swambucks, True Nakili Worker, Mechanical Track. Tips for starting immediately while learning beginner method. Online teaching method 5, online teaching and tutoring. This skill you know, like English speaking, coding, music, graphic design, content creation, drawing, perform repeatedly. It help can skill share. Example: 1 hour lesson, 10 action, create a profile and offer a 30 minutes free trial to get fast student. Daily routine to start online earning today. Pick one method, spend 1 or 2 hours setting a profile, fast tasks, fast video, tracks, earning and progress. Repeat daily, start a small action, result in 30 days. Tips to avoid scam: don't pay upfront for granted income. Stick to trusted platform. Research before sharing personal info. So now it's your turn. Pick one method today video and start. Comment below which method you will try first. Subscribe for more real income tips and beginner friendly guides. Save this video and take action today. You will thank yourself tomorrow. So this is very proven method. You just niche, you just pick a one niche, not too many at once, because this will your misconception. If you want to at a time many platform, you won't be able to earn. So just choose your one niche. Number 6 is print on demand. This is high demandable skill right now. Platform like Red Bubbles, Spring Print 5 sell t-shirt, mug, and stickers online action. Get one or two design today. Focus on training short simple design. Number 7 is dropshipping or e-commerce. Sell product online without holding inventory. Platform like Shopify, WCommerce, Daraz, local stores. Pick one product, create a small store, start a small target one of the audience. Step 8, number 8, stock photography like video. Sell photos, videos online. Platform like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pixel. Plot with consistency. Take 5 or 10 photos, videos, place through the method 9. Selling digital product. Create ebooks, templates, PDF courses, a platform like Gumroad, Canva templates. Action, create one product and today and list one. YouTube. Next method 10. YouTube automation and AI content. Use AI to create videos. Take to speech slides, monetize with ads, affiliate link. Action, create your account and AI video to the upload your video today. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can prove my this content because time is short. And daily routine to start trying today. Pick one method. So this is time for let's buy space. See you very soon with another content template.